What's up, everybody? We've had snow. Look at that bear footprint right there. We had snow, rain, extreme cold. But today, is that a Bigfoot? No, that's just a black bear. A big, bad black bear with, I believe, a cub. Now you can see the claws in it. Look at that. Wow. That's really scary. For some. For me, it's not. It just lets me know the Bigfoot came through here. And I gotta start watching my back. I'm really surprised the amount of snow that's on top of the roof of the shed here. The big, haunted, creepy shed that has so many spiders in it. Hopefully all these spiders are gone and I could take my shed back again once again. What's in this pipe? Do you see anything? Or is it this way? I think it's this way, guys. I don't see anything. You guys see anything? What the heck is going on? I see a little bit of light. I see a little bit of light back there. Yeah, there it is. There it is. A little bit of light. No? Well, maybe it's just something on my screen. Oh. Thinking about doing a 24-hour challenge living on this roof and with a tent. I don't know, maybe. Man, mud everywhere. I can't get away from the mud. I'm trying to hold this thing steady. I got my mini tripod with me. By the way, it's still taped because I have to get into that well and see what's in there for a final time before I drop a ladder in the hole and see if I can retrieve the object in there. I don't know if I want to retrieve it, you know. If it's supporting a rock, it's in there forever. If it's loose and it could come out, I'll take it out. But maybe there's some gold coins. Maybe we'll find some gold in there. Near wells. I doubt it. So the buds here look like they're starting to open. They're turning colors. They're getting real fat. Look at that. That's really fat. Looks like deer tracks right there. How about overnight challenge sleeping on these tires? Nah, I don't think so. Maybe. It's possible. It's possible. Look at the view I would have. Sounds like I hear a radio, but it could be the stadium. Oh no. No. Beans. That means the deers are coming up here now. I gotta watch. We gotta watch for ticks. We got some foliage growing here. And the robins have returned. No, don't, no, not more beans. I don't like the beans. I don't like seeing these beans, guys. Why would a deer come over here anyway? It's nothing but a cliff. Maybe a deer fell off this cliff. And what is this thing? What is this thing here? Is that poopies? I don't know what that is, guys. Looks like a piece of wood. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. Comes a plane overhead, so we're not going to hear anything. But guys, what I want to tell you is that my computer has been moved. I still have some dusting to do because it was really close to the wood stove. So I might be showing you that footage of the computer printer thing. By the way, I just want to let you guys know the printer, oh, it's awesome. The printer is awesome. I mean, I'm going to give you a review on that printer very soon. In fact, I already have footage of me printing some things out with the scanner and printing it out with the computer. I still have to use the phone app, which I gotta pull my sleeve, which I haven't used yet, but I plan on using it very soon. Once I figure it out, I'm gonna upload. You know, guys, I climbed up this hill right here. You kind of see how steep that is. Straight down, all the way down into this thing down here. That's safe. Climbed all the way up here. I don't remember seeing no branch laying across here. That branch was on this tree that I grabbed onto to help myself pull up and get up here. Or was it this one? I think it was this one. Yeah, but I came right through here, so this was not there. This is crazy. Wow. I am literally stoked because that's a little drop off right there. Boom. And you're going all the way down below there. And once you get into the area where I usually go, again, it's almost straight down. I can't believe I climbed this freaking hill right here. That's crazy. There's a big rock under here, if you can see that there. Very interesting, very interesting. Let's go take a look over here. Just looking for some footsteps. The deer have been coming to that that birch tree down there that I climbed over. I don't know why. I always see footprints over there. I don't think they can climb up here. This oh, that might be a good knocking stick. Footprints of something here. It's an indentation as well as here. I don't know. Can it be Littlefoot? I don't know. What the heck happened here, guys? Pull my sleeve up again. Look at this stick. Oh, this wasn't like this the last time I was here. But of course it was all under the snow, but maybe Bigfoot was up here and knocked this tree down as well as this one. Maybe it just fell on its own. I hear a freaking beehive. I don't know if you could hear it, guys. Pass through these. Oh, wow. I hear a beehive stirring down there. That is freaking creepy, scary, man. Maybe not for you, but for me it is. So the sounds of those noises, the bees, buzz, buzz, I mean, it's huge. They come flying up out of that valley right there. I'll come over here, I'm a gunner. Maybe I can outrun them by sliding down this hill here. There's nowhere to hide from a bee except inside or something. I want to keep this video short. Just a quick video to let you guys know that, you know, I've been working really hard. A lot of dusting and stuff. I was only supposed to do a 5-minute video here. And so that's why I just got the handheld. It's supposed to be really quick. What was that? I just saw something over here. Corner of my eye. What was that? Let me get to that point. Spirit. Had to be a spirit. Where is it gonna go? It's gonna come up here now. Oh, it's so cold right here. Which way do I go? The trail. Oh, it's so cold.